Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is Yoga for Immune Function. Let's begin. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands heart center and bring them down. Inhale to bring up. Exhale, center, down. Inhale, connect with your breath motion. Center, down. Inhale, big inhale, exhale, heart center, down. Inhale, keep your shoulder relaxed, neck relaxed, heart center, and down. Okay. From here, use your two fingers to tap gently your chest bone. Relax. Soften your gaze. As he knocking the door gently. Awakening your body. Awakening your sternum. Take deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Deep exhale through the nose. Now relax. Inhale, pull your head up and exhale, tuck your chin. Relax the back of your neck. Inhale, center, exhale, slightly gaze up, open in front of your chest and throat. Next, exhale, bring back to center. Inhale, pull your neck, exhale, tilt your neck to the left. Stay there. Breathe. Give yourself nice, good stretch on your neck. Next, exhale back to center. Inhale, nice, long. Exhale to opposite side. Relax opposite shoulder. Connect sitting bones down. Inhale, exhale back to center. Slowly rotate your head to stretch entire part of your neck. Maybe twice, slowly, gently. And reverse. Good. Back to center. By doing this, we are creating nice flow around lymph system around your neck. Okay? So bring the tip of your finger on your shoulders and big rotation of your shoulders. Again, another big lymph around your arm, underneath your armpit. So create flow in order to boost your immune system, immune function. and reverse. Activate each part. Relax your shoulders. Bring the air open. Create space. And bring your hands down. Now let's take squat. Open your leg about hip distance, maybe wide. And if you cannot go too low, just stay up like this. Those who can go lower, stay low. And one hand center, the other hand stretch up to the ceiling. And if your neck is okay, look up, gaze up. Reach your fingers to the sky. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bring your arm down. And opposite side. Hand, heart center. Hand, center. And inhale, bring opposite hand toward the sky and gaze up. Open your chest, same time, open your hips. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring your hand down. Here. So make little pigeon pose and bring your hips up to the ceiling. And soften your knees. And hug your elbows. And stay there. If you want, sway your head side. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Slowly roll up. Now, let's lay down on your back. From here, thrust your heels to the sky. Flex your toes. Inhale, exhale, thrust. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, press your heels up. Inhale, exhale. Relax your stomach. Inhale, exhale. And now bend your knees. And now I want you to kick your legs to the sky. So let's say one leg at one time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally relax, no power. Okay, the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Then bring your legs down. And keep your heels close to your hips. And press your palms down and slowly bring your hips up. Now interlace your hands under and roll your shoulders in. Open your chest, widen collarbone, sternum up, and heels pressing down. Relax your hips. Engage your core a little bit. Arms pressing down. Stay there. Press sacrum up. Lift up your sternum. Big inhale. Exhale, release your hands slowly. Each vertebra, lay it down to the floor. Now extend your legs. Extend your arms. Keep your shoulders down, away from ears. Big inhale, exhale, release. Take a final pose of Savasana. This sequence is designed to boost your immune system. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!